Let us consider a set A having finite number of elements. So let's say it has the elements A1, A2, A3 up to AM. So this is a finite set and this is having M number of elements. Now we're going to consider another finite set B, and also it's going to be non-zero in this. So let's say it has the elements B1, B2, B3 all the way up to Bn. So this set B comprises of n elements. Now the total number of elements in the Cartesian product of A and B will be the number of elements in A times the number of elements in B. Since we have m elements in A and n elements in B, so the total number of elements in the Cartesian product of A and B will be m times n. Next, the number of subsets of A cross B will be equals to 2 raised to the power of m times n. Now we know that each of the subsets of the Cartesian product of A and B is actually a relation from A to B. So we can say that the total number of relations from A to B is equals to the number of subsets of A cross B, which is equals to 2 over mn. Let's do an example. Let us consider a set having two elements 1 and 2, and we have another set B which contains two elements 3 and 4. So from here we have the number of elements in A is equals to 2 and the number of elements in B is equals to also 2. Now we find out the Cartesian product of A and B, and that is simply you take the first element from A and then form a ordered pair with each of the elements of B, so that will give us 1 3 and 1 4. Then we consider the second element of A, which is 2, and then form the ordered pair with each of the elements of set B, so that gives us 2 3 and 2 4. So here we have number of elements of A and B is 4. Now we'll try to find out the subsets of A cross B. So the subsets of A cross B are, so the first one will be the null set, then we have the set A cross B, which will be the universal set, then we have 1 3, 1 4, 1 4, 2 3. Let me list all of them. So here we have 16 subsets. We can calculate it. Each of them are written down. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. However, we could have quickly used the formula subset. The total subsets of A of B is simply equals to 2 raised to the power of m times n, which is equals to 2 raised to the power of m is number of elements in A, which is 2, multiplied to the number of elements in B. So we have 2 raised to the power of 4, which also gives us 16. Since we know that the total number of relations that can be formed from the Cartesian product of A and B is simply equal to the number of subsets of A and B, so we can say the total number of relations that can be formed is equals to 16.